warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hari ini kita belajar
Bahasa Inggris.
Oke, sebelum itu kakak absen dulu ya.
Oke, Kak.
Absen dulu, Abadia.
Hadir, Pak.
Hadir. Aginia.
Hadir.
Hadir. Alia.
Hadir.
Aulia.
Hadir.
Azah. Rifa.
Hadir.
Jut Najwa.
Hadir.
Kita. Evita Sari.
Hadir.
Fala. Fadila dulu deh. Fadila.
Hadir.
Fala.
Hadir.
Farah.
Hadir.
Awas.
Izin pulang.
Dina.
Tidak.
Iya. Ilham.
Hadir.
Insan. Ada. Muhammad Fakih. Ada. Mesya. Mikaela. Hadir. Muhammad Azril. Yudhistira. Mutiara. Mutiara ada dua ya, Mutiara Cahya. Ada Mutiara Oka. Hadir. Najwa.
Hadir.
Naila. Hadir. Putri Salsabila.
Hadir.
Kurotayun.
Hadir.
Regina.
Hadir.
Tere.
Hadir.
Sabrina. Saskia Mega.
Mega lagi ke Pramodita.
Mandi ya, hadir ya. Seira. Ina. Sivana.
Sivana izin.
Najwa Setia. Oke, hari ini kita belajar tentang naratif teks. Ada yang tahu naratif teks itu apa? Naratif, oke. Intinya tentang teks cerita. Kan kalau kemarin teks posisi bersifat fakta. Kalau naratif ini bersifat fiktif. Oke. A narrative is a story you read or tell someone. Jadi naratif teks itu adalah cerita yang kamu tulis atau ceritakan. Usually in a great detail. Biasanya dengan sangat rinci. Narrative can be in the form of poetry or prose. Biasanya naratif teks dapat berbentuk puisi atau prosa, or even songs, plays or dance, lagu, drama atau tarian. Halaman 106. Kemudian, narrative usually designed to encompass the whole story. Narasi dirancang untuk mencakup seluruh cerita. It's a text that tells about the sequence of events in the past with three main parts. Jadi, naratif teks itu menceritakan hal yang terjadi di masa lampau. Jadi, pakainya past tense. Itu bagiannya ada 3. Ada orientation, solution itu dari penyelesaian masalahnya. Oke, ada yang mau nyoba coba baca cerita yang ada di buku nggak?
Aku.
Ada.
Siap.
Yes.
Sleeping Beauty. A long time ago, beautiful little girl was born in the daughter of the king and queen. They named her Aurora. The king and queen had a grand celebration that is everyone in the kingdom. But they didn't want to forget it. One fairy burst into the helper in the night. To find a flame, I curse your downward. She will freeze, keeping her and fall into eternity. And not even a prince can wake her up. As she flew away, leaving the castle and as the frowning king and queen, she thought that will teach them not to forget me. Terrified, the king and queen took extreme measures to protect their domain, the sharp object, threatening the queen as the clearest effort. Not outdoor activities, declared the king, to keep the princess away from any potential harm, making her life miserable. Gervas and the princess joined hands. Acting risky, she pleaded with the king and queen to allow her approach the castle. Please, father, I promise I will unblock our mother. I hate evil like my entire life. During his exploration, the princess stumbled over a lonely and old spinning wheel, cursing me with amusement, course took her asleep. So disturbed object for the first time. Against her apparently warning, she touched the spinning wheel and crumpled. Ouch! The needle broken her finger, and suddenly she fell out of use. Everyone else in the castle fell asleep as well. Just went by, and the castle became Michael and no riding speeder wheel.
Oke, cukup plus buat Najwa. Oke, ada yang mau lanjutin nggak? Yang bagian sini. Ayo ikut.
A long time ago, beautiful baby girl was born as a daughter of the king and queen. They named her Aurora. The king announced among let's have a great celebration. They invite everyone to the kingdom, but they instantly forget to invite Fine Fairy.
Oke. Kalau complication-nya?
Aku
Ya, oke.
Tiger of the problem, a lady was named because she was not invited to the princess' birth celebration. In court conflict, the fairy ceremony occurs and declares the princess. She declares that the princess will bring here, Tiger, and fall into an eternal sleep. Climax, when the princess turns 18 years old, she discovers an old spinning wheel in a secret room. Out of curiosity, she touches the spindle, breaks her fingers, and instantly falls into a deep sleep. The curse comes true, and all the inhabitants of the castle also fall asleep.
Untuk resolusinya atau penyelesaiannya siapa yang mau? Ya.
No worries, we are alive. The tale landed in good favor. The princess really believed that everyone would not out to fall asleep again. It was much later after on her
Oke, sekian mungkin dari kakak.